Recent advancements in modern science and medicine have provided us with the sobering fact that as humans, we are all the same. In fact, in terms of DNA and genetics, there is a bigger difference between a gorilla and a chimpanzee than there is, for instance, between Nelson Mandela and Adolf Hitler. The National Geographic documentary, The Search for Adam, went so far as to trace each and every male human alive today back to one single man in Africa. But there is at least one thing that makes us different. This one thing has been the catalyst for centuries of hatred, fear, oppression, self-loathing, and even war. But what if I told you that this same one element has the ability to change everything in the world right now? From the way your cell phone and car works, to your own personal physical and mental health. This documentary is about that one element. Well, melanin in various forms, it has actually been on Earth for close to 1 billion years. It is found throughout the biosphere, in most organisms. It has also been known since the 1970s to be a semiconductor, which now has grown to be a $250 billion industry. In more recent discoveries, it has been found that its absence in the brain can heighten the risk of brain disorders like Parkinson's and dementia. It is an untapped market with profit potential that can be beneficial to our monetary and our healthcare system. If developed correctly, can it change the way we bring energy to our everyday lives? This is an incredibly true story of melanin, the elephant in the room.